Hey guys, Sam from BallerBBQ.com here, and this week I'm away visiting family, but of course I've brought my Charmate Lawson water smoker with me, and I'm going to cook up some jalapeno and lime chicken wings. So let's get into it. So here I've got 1.5 kgs of chicken drumsticks and wings, which is about 3 pounds. To that I'm adding 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. And then just get in there with your hands, give it a big stir, make sure that the seasoning is spread evenly throughout the meat, give it a good covering, and then we'll just put that aside. Now we want to start our fire. Today I'm using Hickford's Hickory infused briquettes, and once our smoker's up to 160 degrees or 325 Fahrenheit, we'll go ahead and add the chicken. So cooking the chicken at this temperature means we're going to have a lot of smoke, which is what we want, but we also want a crispy skin, which that temperature is going to allow for. So we'll just put the chicken directly on the rack, spread it out so there's lots of gaps in between for the smoke to go, and then we'll close the smoker up and we'll leave it for about half an hour. So while the chicken's cooking, we'll prepare the jalapeno and lime sauce. So in a bowl or a measuring cup, measure out half a cup of melted butter. To that, add 1 sliced jalapeno, finely sliced, the zest and juice from 2 limes, and 1/4 cup of honey. And then give that a good mix up. Make sure there's no big chunks of honey. If the honey's not going to melt, just put the mixture in the microwave for a few seconds just to heat it up and let that honey melt. And once that butter mixture is all mixed up, we'll go out and put it onto the chicken. So once the chicken's been on the grill for about half an hour, we'll go ahead and take that sauce we just made and put it into a bowl, and take all those chicken pieces from the grill and put them in the sauce and give it a good mix up, making sure that sauce gets over all of the chicken and some of those chunks of jalapeno get stuck on the chicken. And then we'll just lay those chicken pieces back on the grill, and then I'll go ahead and brush the rest of the sauce all over the chicken. And once that's done, we'll close it up for another 30 minutes and cook it until the internal temperature is 74 degrees or 165 Fahrenheit. So after half an hour, these chicken wings are ready, smelling absolutely amazing. They're cooked all the way through, nice and crispy on the outside. It's time to get them inside. Okay, so that's it. That's our jalapeno and lime chicken wings. They were awesome. The lime really comes through. There's quite a strong flavour of that in there. The jalapeno and the cayenne pepper there's quite a good bite of spice in there. Just awesome. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos, and we'll see you again next time.